Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here at Clarkson station filming vlog 110 I believe. It's been a long wait since Bull Creek I think. I try to upload every week. Gaming vlogs or IRL vlogs. It's a bit windy here today, as you can obviously tell. I'm not filming with my GoPro right now. The train left 1 minute ago, it is in 12 minutes. And the Perth train is due in 3 minutes, so I'll catch you when it comes. Now arriving, we have a Perth service. EMU 110 is leading. I believe there's only 6 car trains running today. That's something new I haven't seen before. Please wear a face mask on the train doors. Now departing, we have a Perth service. The train will stop all stations to Perth and then go to Mandurah. By the way, I just want to say 300 sub special coming out in the April holidays. Front 3 cars, EMU 110, rear 3 cars, EMU 107. Next train is due in 14 minutes. Now arriving on platform 2, we have a Butler service. I do apologise for the wind. EMU 62 is leading. I really underestimated the winds today. Oh, this one doesn't have the wear masks on the doors. 1 3 cars, EMU 62, rear 3 cars, EMU 68. The train's next and only stop will be Butler. Now departing platform 2, we have a Butler service. EMU 62 and 68 are the sets. The next train I believe will be due in 14 minutes. Now arriving onto platform 1, we have a Perth service. The train will stop at Currumbine, Joondalup, Edgewater, Whitfords, Greenwood, Warwick, Stirling, Glendalough, leading for Perth. And then after Perth Underground it will stop at Elizabeth Quay, Canning Bridge, Bull Creek, Murdoch, I believe it's Coburn, Auburn Grove, Kwinana, Wellard, Rockingham, Woombro, and then Mandurah. EMU 73 is leading. Obviously this train will switch to drivers at Perth Underground. Now departing platform 1, we have a Perth service. The train will stop all stations to Perth and then into Mandurah. The wind is quite chilly. Don't think I'm going to go to the beach today. Front 3 cars, EMU 73, rear 3 cars, EMU 114. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in vlog 111 I believe. Alright, bye bye everybody.